Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Tech Geek. My name is Amit Singh and today we are going to see how to create LWC component with a very short example, and then we will see how to push the code to the scratch org, and then how to view the component data using um, from the dev console, and then in the last we will see how to place that LWC component on the home page. So let's get started. You need to click on the manage, go to the command palette, and then and there you have to select sfdx colon create project with manifest. Just click on it. So this will take a little bit time. Okay, now you have to select standard project template, which is default. Just click on it, and then you need to provide a project name. So let's say my project name will be playground, and then press enter. You need to select a folder. So the folder is created, and just click on create project. So you can see that the project has been successfully created with the name playground. So once the project has been created, now you need to go to the manage again. From the manage, click on command palette, and then you need to create lighting web component. If the web component option is not appearing for creation, then simply type sfdx colon create. So you have to select this option, which is sfdx colon create lighting web component. Just click on it. You need to enter a desired file name for it. So this is going to be a demo project. So I will write demo project. Press enter. Go with the default option and keep on pressing enter. Okay. So the lighting web component is successfully created. You can view this from here, which is my demo project is the lighting form that I have created, and it contains HTML part, JSS file, XML file. I will show you the use of all these files, but sticking to this tutorial, I will show you how to use HTML file and XML file only in this current video. I will show you JS file in my later videos. Okay, then click on the HTML part, and I will write give it a header, which one, and then I will write a piece of line which I will display on the home page and on the dev console also. So line will be like, hi, this is a demo project by, and save it. And once this has been done, go to the manage, then command palette, and now we have to create an Aura app for this. Click on it, sfdx colon create Aura app. You need to provide a desired file name to it also. So let's say it will be like launch, and we have to go with the default options. Okay, so now the our app has been created. So write this line of code, c colon, then the our component name, which is demo project, and just save it. And now we have to push the code to our scratch org, but before that we need to authorize dev hub. So authorize dev hub. So once the authorization has been done, this we need to create a scratch org. So create a default scratch org. Just click on it. Go with the default options. Keep on pressing enter. So the command is running for creating a default scratch org. We will get a confirmation code with exit code 0 if it is successfully created, and if there is some error, it will display over here. The command is still running. Okay, so the default scratch org has been successfully created, and now we have to push the source to the default scratch org. Just click on sfdx colon push source to default scratch org. Just click on it. Okay, the source has been successfully pushed to the default scratch org, and now we need to launch. So once the scratch org has been successfully launched, we need to navigate to the developer console to see that particular line of code which I have used in the HTML part. Go to the file section, click open Lightning resource, and there you have to select the or app, then open selected, and from here just click on preview. So you'll see that once the page has been successfully loaded, our text is appearing like, hi, this is a demo project by Amit. So this part has been completed, and the next part is that the same line of code I will try to show you on the home page, but this will only happen by making some modification to our XML part. Right now, if I try to show you this LWC component on the home page, so this will not get reflected because we haven't made the modification in the XML part till now. So if we scroll down, so you can see that there is the custom part which is 0. Nothing is being displayed right here, right now. So we will navigate to our XML part, just click on it, and we have to make some modification here so that this component will get displayed on the page, home page. So I will write few lines of code for this. Target. We have to make it true also. Save it. And save it. Okay, there is some error. We have made a mistake. This is targets. Save it. We are getting some error. Okay, fine. We've also written the same thing. I don't know what is the error, but we want to display the same thing on lighting underscore underscore. Okay, fine. This is okay. That is missing. Save it. So the error has been removed, and now we have to again go to the manage command palette and then push source to the scratch org. The command is running. Okay, so the code has been successfully pushed to the scratch org. Now we need go to the scratch org homepage edit section. Just refresh it. The page is being loaded. Once the page has been successfully loaded, just scroll down and you can see that the custom component lighting component is displayed in the section. Just drag this onto section where you want to display it and then save it. Click on activate and assign as an default org. Save it. Now navigate to the page. See, hi, this is a demo project by Amit is displayed on the home page. So that is how things have been done. So that's all I have for you in this video. Stay tuned. I will post more videos on LWC as well as on CPQ. Thanks for watching it. Jai Hind.